same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 C's. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold. Bang roll, on the go. Ice wall, ice wall, ice wall.
Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate
Hit
now.
for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merge. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, side of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see
see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, same circle, still the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends, to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a lost somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter at. I lose a dollar, bet I get it back. Like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God, won't be a dollar that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. I got a itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, that went way up. Bend that mouse to feed, I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros, I'm talking day one.
Alright, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? Just a second here.
come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the been at boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys.
All right, so let's take a look at the daily here on gold. Let me turn this music down here. All right, so looking at Goldie, we've got a daily resistance here. Okay. So we got a daily resistance there. And we've got the daily support here. Press that in. Alright. And we've got another daily support here. Let's take a look at it for an hour. Alright, so 4 hour we've got a support here. Where's the 4 hour support? And we've got a resistance here. Got a 4 hour resistance up here as well. Like that. Our demand. Like this support down here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour we've got a support here. Alright, so we got a 1 hour support there, and we've got a 1 hour resistance here. 30 minutes. Really nothing to do here. Take a look at the 15 minute. Alright, so looking at the 15 minute right now, of course on the lower time frame, gold is definitely still bearish. However, for us to take sales right now is very pretty much risky, because now price found support. Okay, so we had this high that created this low to the left, this low created this high is lower than the previous high, so it still shows the bearish structure. Now price came back down and created this low. So what that means now is that this previous high excuse me, eventually created a low that is lower than this low. So you still have pretty much the lower low, lower high structure. Now, once price created the low at around 24.18 here on futures, now price went back up and created another high. Now, once price created another high at around 24.38, price refused, right, to create a new high breaking above 24.44. Now, since this low,
Are you talking, King?
yeah.
We can't hear you.
What, you guys can't hear me? Oh. Okay, you should be able to hear me now. Sorry about that, guys. Now,
Yeah, we can hear you.
since price failed to break the previous high, which was the high that created this low, the bears, they're still in control here. The only issue right now is this minor support that price has created, because this minor support broke the high that created the minor support. So taking a sell now is very, very complicated because we do not know what's going to happen at this minor support that was created. So what we can do in order to take a sell in this case is two things. Number one, wait for this minor low to be taken out. Once this minor low is taken out, if we can get this, then we can take the sell as long as price does not break this high. Or we wait for price to continue to come down and break this low, right? And break this low. Those are the two things that we can do in order for us to take sales. We either wait for a breakout or look for a way to trade this range, pretty much. All right. And for buys, we are, give me a second. And for buys, we need to see how we are going to react again once we get back to this 1 hour support. We need to see how we're going to react. If we do not get a good setup, if we do reject this support, then we gotta wait for a break above before we can take buys, or maybe we won't be able to trade gold today for the second day in a row. So we'll see what's gonna happen here, guys. So that's what we are going to do in regards to taking gold trade today. German 40. I marked this up earlier. German 40 buys could be possible if this demand keeps holding. What's this? 15 minutes. So if this candle closes bearish, you can take buys above the highs. I think this is going to continue to fall. However, if this demand holds, we should push back up, because the high, right, created this low. And then once we created the low, we had this low creating this high. Now this high came down, right, creating a low here, failed to break below this low. That means this high failed. Let's keep going. Now, this major support went up and created another support here. So the buyers get control back here. They push price all the way back up, thereby breaking this high that this low actually created. So the buyers succeeded by breaking this minor high. However, this major high, they failed and pushed price back down. Now, the price pushing back down like this could be for price to just continue bullish, because they still have the advantage. They just failed to break below this 1 hour resistance. So if that candle can close bearish, we can take it's already flipping. So it already flipped, it's gone. If this keeps going up, we're just gonna have to wait for the break above, because I'm going to need to see this current candle close bearish. I would rather like to take buys below, at this 1 hour demand. I still see German 40 falling. That's why I want to see what this current candle is going to do, because we've had 1 rejection, 2 rejection, we've rejected twice. Okay, what is this current candle going to do? Is this current candle going to start breaking above this previous minor resistance to the left? Or are we just going to keep rejecting here and then boom to the downside and start going back up again? Because the low, which is this major low, got to the pretty much the major resistance, and we rejected. We failed. The sellers failed to continue to push price down, thereby breaking this low. The buyers failed to push price back up, breaking the major high. So the sellers are back in control. Since they are back, since they gained back control, this 1 hour demand is what I'm looking for to take buys. 1 hour demand or this support. Just like the sellers failed here, the sellers, what am I saying? Yeah, just like the sellers failed right here, the buyers could fail by not pretty much breaking. What am I saying, man? I'm not even high. So just like the buyers failed earlier, the sellers might do the same thing and buyers gain back momentum here or here. And that is what I'm waiting for. I hope my analysis made sense on both German 40 and gold. If it doesn't, watch again.
Okay.
Huh?
Just, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, just as a question. I'm going back to kind of trend again, but obviously this is respecting this kind of trend here, essentially, which is an upward trend, right? So we've got this, or potentially this, but you're saying if you're waiting for the 1 hour demand to be broken, 15-minute demand to be broken, then we're changing structure to continue going down. So this essentially we're going up in an upward trend.
Now, so
So
can you delete this?
yeah.
So,
All right. Now, the thing is, when the buyers gain momentum at this major support, right? They were in control until we got to this resistance. Okay, I want you to pay attention to that. They were in control until we got to that resistance. Also, previously, on the lower time frame, GM40 is bearish. So we have a bearish structure, bullish momentum. Now, what I said earlier was if this 15-minute demand holds, in order for it to hold, I need to see it pretty much really start crossing this resistance. The second one will be for entry. If that happens, I will take the buys. Okay, if that happens, I'll take the buys, because if this hold, then that means the buyers, they gain back control, even though we rejected the 1 hour resistance. Now, what I said was I still see it falling because of the failure to break the 1 hour resistance. And also because we still have a bearish structure. Now, if these buyers that gain momentum and created this major support between this range, and we had a break of this 1 hour support, I'm definitely going to look for buys.
Yeah.
I hope it makes sense now.
Yeah, although that we obviously haven't mitigated this by we obviously got rejected to continue coming down, but because we've closed slightly higher than the previous candle, which is this candle there, would you still not consider that
A break?
Yes, this is kind of still.
No, because you have, if you look at this bullish wick, you have that wick up there.
Oh, you got wick, yeah, sorry, yeah.
That's
the
where
wick
price got to, and we didn't break it.
And itself, you really look at the wick. So, okay.
Yeah. Just like when you're looking for maybe liquidity grab setup, you don't look for liquidity grab setup because price broke the body, but then closed below the previous candle body. You look at liquidity. You have a liquidity grab when price closes below the previous candle body. I mean, not closes, when it wicks below the previous candle body and the wick, not just the body. So you do the same thing when you mark your support and resistance.
Sure. Thanks for confirming.
I don't know, I'm not really feeling GM40 buys. I'm not at all. I don't like the way we did not break above the resistance, previous resistance. It rejected it perfectly. Yeah, gold is dead. It's not doing anything.
So just another question as well. So I'm just obviously trying to understand the chart.
Oh, J. Smith, do you have like two Zooms running at the same time? Because we here can hear your voice echoing.
Oh, sorry. 1 minute. Just check. Maybe I do. Can you hear me now, Lola?
Yeah, I don't hear the echo anymore.
I think I had YouTube in the background.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Yeah. So just do you mind just going to the 1 hour?
All right, it was 1 hour.
So I'm trying to understand, obviously, just the charts, but you were saying, because we've closed above, we failed to close below the 1 hour resistance, and then we created a 1 hour demand. So you're saying buyers are still in control in that case then, is that right?
Yeah, because when the sellers gain back momentum at this high, they created a support, right? The buyers gain back momentum. Now the buyers failed here, sellers gain back momentum. We came down, failing to break this low to the left. The buyers gain back momentum here. Since the buyers gain back momentum, they was in control, and they actually broke the sellers high, right, which is this minor high. However, the sellers gain back control at the previous resistance where they get control previously, but the buyers failed. So looking at this, and you have this 1 hour gap set up, I'm expecting this to come all the way down to at least the 1 hour support, at least, if not this resistance. Support, I call that a resistance? What the hell am I doing? Okay, so I'm expecting this to come all the way down to the 1 hour support, and then we start to push back up. Now, are we going to now break this high? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So in this range, I'd rather take sales than take buys, because you have a bearish structure. You have a bearish structure. Previously, you had a bullish momentum, but once we got to that resistance, the sellers gave back control, and that's what the structure is.
Yeah. Would you not say would be a reversal then? Because we've obviously come down to.
What would be a reversal? The buys or the sell?
So go back to the 1 hour. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Just open your candle up. Just close your screen. Just widen your screen so I can see the downtrend. Maybe you might need to. Yeah. So essentially, we've obviously come down. This is the sort of bearish momentum, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're now kind of stopped at this level to continue coming up, but we failed to come back down.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the end of the essential bearish momentum. So now it's not really the end.
Well,
not the end, but a potential reversal. Potential reversal, considering that we haven't come down on a higher time frame to mitigate the 1 hour.
Yeah, that's why you need to look for sales and catch the move down, because that's what this is looking like. There is no reason for price to do this. Create this support here, and then break a previous minor high, and then get to the major, and then give a huge rejection like this. It needs to come down deeper if we are going to go back up. Pretty much fill this gap and take buys. We have buyers sitting here already. They're just waiting. That's why you have this aggressive push. The buyers are sitting down here, and they're sitting at this support, and that's what we need to wait for.
Oh, right. I'm still learning. Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You have buyers sitting here also, but these buyers here on this 15-minute demand, they're not as strong as the buyers at this 1 hour demand and this 1 hour support. I thought I changed this to a support. Why is it still saying resistance? YouTube, who among you hacked my computer?
It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted, fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted.
YouTube, I was in NY session for you guys yesterday.
Edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bro. Promise I'ma take it easy later on.
Alright, if this thing is going to pull back, I'll either like to see a pullback at this 15-minute supply, or pretty much if we go back to the 30-minute supply, or back to the resistance and take sales. If not, we wait for buys, because we can still take buys until this 1 hour support is taken out. Just like gold right now, if this 1 hour resistance is not taken out, you really cannot take buys because of the structure. If this is taken out, then we got to take this one out too. But you have your first range between 2420 and 2444, and you have another range pretty much between 2460 and of course 2420. With the way gold is right now, I'm gonna have to see multiple rejections here. Multiple rejections right here around 2437, and we can take a sell. Pretty much price creates another support here. If we keep rejecting that resistance, we can look to take sell coming down. When you see it, you know. You'll be like, okay, well, yeah, all right, this should fall. This should fall. It might look confusing to you now, but let's stay patient until we get what we need. Which platform is reliable? I mean, it depends, I guess, the country you're from. I know Alpha Capital is a good one if you're talking about Forex. If it's futures, I recommend two, Top Step and Alpha Futures. Alpha Futures is still new, and some people prefer Apex. I've never tried Apex, so I don't know. It was again crazy for you, over 200 pips in a couple of trades. Nice. Look at that big waterfall. What waterfall? You're talking about gold or German 40?
It was Apex offering a massive discount.
Yeah. You in South Africa? Oh, well, you can try FTMO or Alpha Capital. Thing is, if you were to take the buys now, if that 15-minute demand hold is going to be a valid pullback, however, too risky compared to the sales and German 40, is that right? Yes. Yes, it is.
Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready?
You're welcome, Afro.
We ready? Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Hell steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state. Make $1 million out to send me. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti. Who ready? We ready?
Pretty much, this is what I kind of like what I was waiting for yesterday when we didn't take gold, and we were waiting for sales at the 1 hour resistance, and that was exactly what happened. Price tapped that 1 hour resistance, and then bam, it just freaking went to the pit of hell from that. So today, pretty much waiting for this. We went back up, tapped the resistance. I'm waiting for price to come back down, give us another touch, and the third touch, I'm expecting price to come back down to this support. I'm pretty much not expecting us to pretty much break 2437.7 here on futures. On Forex is going to be pretty much 2397 on Forex. 2397.72. Futures 2437.7. So as long as we do not break that, we can keep anticipating sales. We just gotta look for entries. Taking the sell now is just too risky. Now, I'm not saying if gold wants to fall right now, it's not going to do that. But is it something that I would take right now? Nah, at least for me. I was in trade yesterday. Personally, I had 2 wins on gold, and VIP we had 1 win on gold during LY session. I too took sales on gold yesterday. You know, I feel like this demand holding is just to freaking make sure buyers lose some money before then they drop price. There are some setups where even if price is in the range, you can still take trades, but you got to be smart with it. And there will be times you just can't trade the range because there's nothing. You just got to wait for that range to break. Because at the end of the day, you want to make sure you're taking, quality trades that trades that work for you most of the time, because no setup works all the time. As long as it works most of the time, you can make money.
Direct flight out to London, then might slide out to Lisbon. Crossing borders, getting my stamps up.
Yeah, so for German 40, if German 40 had did this, break this 1 hour support, and then we're now rejecting this 15-minute, of course, I'm definitely taking the buys. And you'll expect this new support that will possibly be formed to break above the new high and price continue to the upside. But we don't have that here. This music is still kind of loud. Yeah, that's better.
First in and the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out. Game time been lit. Been the man, been him. In the box like 9-9. Got pinstripes on my skin. Okay, go mamba all in my zone. When the wind going home. Hear it all in my tone. Worked hard for this throne. You know I'm never lazy. Not the face. See me win, but those L's hate me. Hear him talk. Let him talk.
Now, since we're in a range on gold, if we keep dropping, and since we have more buyers coming at this demand, pretty much, which is a 15-minute demand, we reject, we can anticipate the buys. Okay, because we pretty much have this since we created that support. We have this structure here, price went up, created this support here, this support lower than this support, and then we had buyers come in. Sellers came in, buyers came in again. Now that sellers are back in control, how are we going to react once we get back to this demand? Are we going to see, since we see buyers step in there previously, are they going to step in here for price to drive up, potentially reject the 1 hour resistance again, or are we going to actually break it this time around? I don't like this sell setup. I would like to see what's going to happen before I think about sales. Ooh. Waiting on the 1 hour resistance. If this continues to drive up, this 15-minute. I rather want, I would prefer if we can go back to the 1 hour support. Is WoW here? I think WoW is here. Some people are not here yet, but I think WoW is here. Oh. No, it's not. Well, he's not here yet. Pi is here. Yeah, WoW is not here yet. He's probably doing some. just going to add everything in here, and we just wait. Looks so tempting, German 40. I know it does. I'm good, Tristan. How you doing? Change this. There's a big ass demand there. Let's see what Good's got for us. What's the idea behind what trade, Edwin? Oh, the paper trade. Oh, the paper trade that I took on it was the 1 hour support that was formed because price was rejecting it, and of course, Remember when we were trading Asian session, I had this trend line and I took it based on the support, the multiple rejections, and the break of this minor resistance. So that was why I took it. So that it gave a 1-to-1. Come on, German 40, just get back up there. The Asian session setup, was that a liquidity grab setup? We didn't take anything on during Asian session. It was just it was a paper trade. Man, I think it's time I put my lion poster up again. Right, is it gonna be the 15, the 30, the 1 hour? supplies, or it's gonna be the resistance. We'll find out. You're selling gold to the weekly lows. Okay. Where's the weekly lows? The previous week low on futures, that's around 2414.7. Forex, where's the previous weekly low? Around 2369. Alright, interesting. Your man has a dream. Gideon, man, I want to give you a freaking thumbs up. You've been killing it.
Of course, Wall turns up when a trade comes. Unbelievable.
Perfect timing. Perfect.
Yeah. His first question is buy or sell.
Trade metrics, you're looking for a stop hunt, then a sell. On what? Gold or German 40? I don't think you're talking about gold because Gold is already selling right now.
Yeah, so can't believe you're missing the move, Abe. It's a clear sell on a 15-second chart.
It's not on gold. But
Huh?
on gold.
You said he's talking about gold?
Yeah. Why are you talking about gold?
Are you talking about me?
No, I was talking to Pi, but it's obviously not answering.
Oh. You're
Oh, what?
welcome,
Sorry?
Gideon.
I said, are you talking about sell on gold?
Oh, I was taking the piss. There used to be a guy here.
All right, sorry.
Yeah, there used to be a guy here that said about selling it or buying it on a 15-second chart after the move.
15 seconds.
Yeah.
Good luck to him.
What pair am I on? We're looking at gold and German 40, or German 30, or DAX, whatever you want to call it. On the higher time frame, the previous low that was created, pretty much we did not close below it, which is the 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, the same thing, definitely. 30-minute, we did close below, not strongly. 15 close below, not strongly either. But bottom line, a support was formed. Higher time frame, we really didn't close below it. So you have buyers step in here. We've got back up to that 1 hour resistance. We rejected. So I'm waiting to see if the buyers are gonna step in again since they get back control. So either this 1 hour demand or this support. And the sellers could eventually take this thing all the way down to this 30-minute demand before we either get a pullback or price continue going up. But gold is very bearish on the lower time frame. Oh, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. We could see a sell on German 40. So I'm gonna leave it on gold. Well, please take over for me. I'll be right back. Oh, pie.
Or pie.
Hey. How you doing, Will?
Doing good.
I was
I
getting
don't think I
worried
saw
about
you
you.
during Asian session.
I came on, but I must have come on late because I mean it must have been a quick session because I tried to get on, but the link wasn't working. So I assumed it had finished by the time I got on.
Oh yeah.
Apparently, volume was just dead.
Yeah,
Say
pretty
that
much.
was like the slowest session ever.
Yeah. Then that just went back to bed.
Yeah, it's early in the morning here in the UK, so I was like, no, I can't be staying on here.
Oh man, my wife hates it because I'll like load up, and I don't know if yours does it, but my Zoom will like shout recording in progress.
Yeah.
Like,
Yes.
really loudly.
Yeah, mine does that as well. It's annoying. I was actually trying to look the settings to take it off, but I don't know how to.
Oh, so funny. She's like, what the fuck are you doing?
There's no way of hiding in that one, is it?
No, you can't hide it. You can't hide it.
Oh, God.
What's that hourly closure done on German 40? Let's check it out. Oh, nice closure. Think we might get an entry here, guys, when King gets back. Good bullish rejection.
It's good.
That's yeah, let's see. I know where I would take it, but I don't want to. I don't want to be wrong.
Enter now with 500 pip stop loss. Is it that volatile? Oh, it's not that volatile.
German 40 flipping. Don't worry yet, guys. German 40's flipping again, so no stress.
Don't take it.
Don't take it. No snipers. No snipers here. No campers. No snipers and no campers. Gold didn't quite tap the 1 hour demand. Otherwise, that would be quite nice, but didn't tap it.
I get the feeling it's not going to tap it.
No. Yeah, it would be a good entry, but it's not tapped it. No FOMO.
All right, I'm in. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Yeah, Wolf's already taken it. He's at the bottom of that candle. Silence is deafening.
Oh, Mango didn't tap the 1 hour?
Nope.
I think overall should tap the 1 hour still, didn't it?
It might.
18. 30 minute 1 hour candle still. 1 hour candles opening. next one now, candle.
See if this is going to hold. I need to get to the 30 or the 1 hour resistance again. So right now we pretty much did not close below this support, which was what I was talking about earlier. Hey, the money trades, how you doing? Okay, looks like this wants to push up some more, which is fine. Yes, we watch Jamal 40 for now. Let's use this 15-minute up here. It's not candle at the top it. German 40 is definitely moving better than gold today. J. Smith, you still trade S&P?
Yeah, still trade S&P, but I need to. I kind of stopped really. To be fair, I've been more focusing on kind of gold and NAS. But
Okay, there's nothing wrong with that.
I took S&P last week, but yeah, pretty much the same, aren't they? Really, very close.
NAS and US 500 or S&P is basically the same thing. It's just that
Yeah,
NAS moves much crazier.
it's crazy. Yeah.
I need to see how this candle is going to close.
For potential sales, or
Huh?
you looking at potential sales or buys still?
As of now, sales.
Yeah.
If German 40 is going to fall, either the supply or the 1 hour resistance, my supply has to hold.
Sorry, just seeing we all marking up. Just ignore me.
We would have taken buys on gold now, but just never came back to the demand. We're waiting for it, but no setup. So as of now, the only possible setup we will have is German 40.
I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin, only my wife and my kids. That's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends.
That's a 80 pip stop loss. I got 20 pips here. Get half around here. And then 1 to 1.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no floor. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay-Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. If I got it, they got it, got it. Family strong, they solid, solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it, got it. Foundation been solid, solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah, I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor.
Let me leave this other color. Is this one? Does it look like? Okay.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam.
What companies are included in German 40? I have no idea. I guess the top 40 German companies. Wow, do you know what German 40 is called on futures?
Futures? Jeez. No idea.
Let me see if it's in this futures journal. You got currencies, energies, financials, grains, metals, indices. What the hell? Which one is Russell 2000 E-mini?
Oh, that's US 2000.
What? US 2000?
Yeah.
I never heard
The
of that.
2000,
Russell.
like biggest small companies, like micro cap.
Oh, I never heard of that before. Wow.
Russell. Is it Russell 2000 E-minis?
S&P 500, S&P GSCI. Which one is that? S&P GSCI. I don't know what that one is.
Man, you gotta be kidding me. They sell cheese on futures.
I guess they do. What? Look, orange juice. What the hell?
And
I
they've got
told you, OJ.
soybeans as well.
Wow, sugar, coffee, cotton. What? Wow, interesting.
I was looking at gold versus Thai baht yesterday. I was trying to analyze that. That's interesting.
Wow.
Spread was crazy.
The ticker in futures is FDAX. FDAX. I think I've searched for that
That's a
before.
bit rude.
Huh?
That's a bit rude.
Oh yeah, that's true. That is rude. FDAX. No. Don't FDAX, please, because I'm looking to take a set now. And I need to make some money. So I'm not effing you, Dax. That's Christopher that said that, not me. Hey, Christopher, I had to let Dax know. Man, gold. You just don't want to come to that demand before you go up, huh? Well, we'll see what you do at the resistance if you do get there. I'll be right back real quick, guys. I need a bottle of water.
for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
What is the SL? The SL is going to be 80 actually. If you don't know what lot size to use and you have the new journal, just go to the calculator real quick and do your calculation so you know what lot size to use. Either use the position sizing calculator or use the margin calculator. It depends on you. Oh, the music stopped. One more minute for this candle to close.
Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. We're known for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know.
The fact that gold didn't even touch the demand and futures definitely didn't touch it on Forex.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench,
Yep, definitely didn't touch it.
came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Chasing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate
Came for
now.
my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
Something fishy happening with gold.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though?
Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in a win. I don't want it all. Heard you scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought.
Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merge. 6 figures, what's a gold? Now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, side of nosebleeds.
I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in a win. I don't want it all. Heard you scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought.
Yeah, same circle, still the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends, to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain.
Markets are slow.
Kicking back. Find you on computers, type
Yeah.
you lose a follow, throw a Twitter ad. I lose a
No news today.
like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring.
It's
I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same.
market needs a bit of
They sell up for change. They want a lot of things. I lose it all, you bet I
in the life support machine.
I trust in God $1 that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything.
I just need to start. I just need to see German 40 start to break below the previous candle bottom wick that rejected. Once we get to entry, we can execute on this trade.
Yeah. It's kind of playing out, isn't it? It's tapped 15-minute supplies. Just needs to come down now.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's done. Are you still looking for like bullish engulfings or not really? You just pretty much waiting for sort of price action.
Bullish engulfing. Do I always wait for bullish engulfing? Is that what you said?
Yeah, because you used to wait for an engulfing candle back in the times when you were
No, I don't just wait for
confirmation.
I don't just wait for that anymore.
I don't think you used to do it all the time, but you used to as one sort of confirmation, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much depends on the setup. We'll be done with good now if we can reject the demand. But the fact that it did not tap the demand, I'm like, this thing must still going to fall.
It's generally the case.
The fact that it didn't tap the demand, this is telling me she still wants to come down.
You say that's sort of kind of consolidating it.
Yeah, it is ranging.
Yeah.
The only possible zone will be this 30-minute supply. Because you really don't have one. You really don't have one on the 15-minute pretty much. So if this supply holds, this demand is not going to hold. We are going to come down and break it. So look at this 30-minute supply. We already tapped it once. This will be the second time.
Just needs a tank now.
So if it does, I'll take entry. Just looking for where I'm gonna take my entry. And for 30.1. That's if this 30-minute supply holds on gold. I'll be willing to take a sell. So we shall see. See what happens here. If on German 40, on the other hand, if this candle closes bullish rejecting, we can move entry to around here, and we'll have maybe a 70 pip stop loss, possibly. So we got 4 more minutes. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I don't miss a possible setup here. I mean trade here. Well, please take over for me. So stream is now boring.
Tell a joke, Will.
Joke, man. I don't really do jokes. I just roast people with facts.
Yeah.
Harsh reality. Man, you gotta be joking me. You in trade?
No, you did not say that.
Roger Banks just lost 7.5K just on gold in his other channel.
Did you say you lost 7.5K?
Yeah, he took a sell on gold.
Oh, damn.
Minus 14 pips. At least he can show
He doesn't very often let things run for that long.
14.1 pips, 7,400 net loss. I think he took that step below 23.91 on Forex. Then it pulled back.
Oh, who are you talking about?
Roger Banks.
Roger Banks.
Oh, I thought he was talking about himself. I'm like, wait, what? What's going on? I'm starting to get confused here.
Yeah.
No, I was taking a peek at Roger Banks' channel on the other screen. I just noticed that he just netting in minus 7,400.
Oh well, it happens.
Yeah. I wish I had capital like that to trade with.
Yeah, that's nothing to him.
Exactly.
Nothing.
Yeah, I can't we get there. Just gotta take it day by day.
Yeah. So half a million quid balance in about a year.
No, Tyrod or Tyrion, I'm not in. It's on the screen. Yeah, Edwin said you should sing. Wow.
Nah, I don't need to punish you guys like that. What have you done to deserve that?
Never know. There might be we might have a record company CEO in our midst. And you get signed. Just like that.
Man, it would be like one of those, you know, when you see those like America Got Talent, Australia Got Talent shows, and then they have those special episodes with the like shittest singers ever.
I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parent now.
Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm dead. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring.
The price action yesterday and gold in London session wasn't the best today either. And yesterday, it didn't even get to the 1 hour resistance that we were waiting for yesterday. Pretty much, but I'm using the 4 hour resistance here on futures. Yesterday, we had it on Forex. Anyway, so it's up here. We didn't get there until pre-New York.
What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah. For the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef.
Oh.
Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring.
Stop loss 40 pips for now. What I can do for
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. I water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world of makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean every need.
I think we can move this into
Going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean every need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean every need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going
Your music on, King.
my music is off.
I can't hear it.
Shouldn't be off.
I can hear it.
Oh, you
can
can.
hear
Yeah, I can hear it. Normal.
Okay. Looks like German 40 is gone.
For some reason I can't hear it. Actually,
Yeah. Well. If it doesn't reject, yeah, it's over with.
so it kind of annoys me.
I don't see it breaking though. Until it breaks, my sell analysis is still right until it breaks.
Gonna break.
Let's take a bet. Let's take a bet.
Okay, I think
Ooh.
it's gonna break. When you guys were looking for sells, I was like, this looks like a buy. I think it was
Yeah.
like over here. I was like, this thing's going up.
This is, I actually had buys in the back end as well, because I was kind of analyzing it, because I was like, this looks like a buy to me, essentially.
It looks like none of you guys were sure. At least I was sure about the sales.
I was going on the basis of potentially this, and that's why I was.
Yeah, you were not wrong. Yeah, you're not wrong for doing that, but the only issue was the rejection here. That's the only thing. If that didn't happen, oh yeah, these buys I would have taken it. So I'd rather not take buys until it breaks.
Yeah.
That's just me.
No, I mean that you're right. It's just, I guess it's one of those things, isn't it? Caution on the basis of risk, but it's like this looks like a buy. It's just like reversing. But anyhow. While I was sitting in the background, you weren't on stream. You was like,
yeah, when while it's quiet, just know he's doing some things.
I was in the background.
He's on the tick chat.
Hey, so it was like New York session, no, Asian session. I was quiet because I was like, oh, I'm taking a trade right now.
I think we've missed the German one then, I guess. That's it. I mean, obviously we wouldn't get in there for potential sales.
Mm-hmm. Where am I from? What do you think? German 40 said no today, pretty much.
Is there two Gideons?
Two Gideons? No, it's just one.
Gideon Go.
Yeah, that's... Wait, isn't that the same person? That's the same person.
And then you got music with Gideon Go. You've got two people.
Oh. Yeah, look, see, it's the same person. Maybe that's a different account.
Oh, he said he switched my account.
Oh, okay.
What did you guys bet?
No, Wow was too scared to bet.
What? I didn't say I'm scared. I said okay.
Well, what said bring it? What said? That's what I heard.
Yeah, I said okay. Let's do it.
Bring it on.
He said, "Let's go."
Okay, let's put what's that? $100 on the line.
$100.
100.
Oh. While you're down.
Hold on. Let me see. Let me see.
Oh, I was
no,
gonna,
you want to cheat?
do analysis now.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
it.
I'm down. I'm
Yeah,
down.
after cheating, no.
I'm down. I'm down. I'm looking at it. Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, he would have already won.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's got to close above the 1 hour resistance. Yeah.
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 How
Okay.
long do we have until this like plays out? Like by the
I
end
don't
of the
know.
day?
This hourly closure has to close above the resistance. Yeah. Deal.
No, man. That's 4 minutes from now.
I think, well, you might be quick. That might be quick money for you.
You never know. He might break it now.
This is quick money. This is gonna. I
No,
would
I'm
say,
not taking that. We got less than 4 minutes. We got 3 minutes now.
Trust me, that's a strong candle there. That's quick money.
You never know. It might just spike up. It might just spike up.
Man, you guys want me to lose this bad.
Oh, that's good.
Oh man.
When gold is taking too long at a supply like this, it might not hold. You really don't have a 15-minute supply there. It's a 30-minute. Aside from the minor resistance created on the 1 hour. The hell is good? Wait, is this moving? Oh, okay, it's moving. It looked like it was stuck for a second.
That's when you know the volume's bad.
Yeah.
Is it moving?
So that German 30's closed above 15 minutes, no?
No, not yet. Yeah, with the way that candle closed, it's gonna close above.
Yeah. Oh, wow, quick money there, man.
I mean, it didn't close above it
By
yet.
the hourly candle close, that's not enough time. I need more time. I need more like 2 hours or something.
Wait, how did the 1 hour close? Oh yeah, this should close above.
Yeah, that's going to close above, for sure.
was expecting this candle to at least close rejecting. It didn't close rejecting, so this should close above. Okay, I am going to delete the supply. 1 hour. See what this current candle is going to do here. It's going to close rejecting or flip. If it flips, we can still look to take the sells because we're pretty much still rejecting the 30-minute supply. Man, this should have been good buys if it tapped the demand that we was waiting on. So gold did what we wanted, just did not get to the demand level. German 40 on the other hand did the opposite. Actually going to move entry around there. And if it closes, I'll move entry up here. For now, I'm gonna leave it here. That's if this candle flips, because this candle currently has no bottom. We could either flip bearish or close bullish. And if it closes bullish with a top wick, we could get a bearish candle next that's gonna take us to the downside. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 and I'm singing like whoa, oh, oh, oh. It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted. Sales invalidated. I'm gold. Not yet. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bro. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Okay, already got to the 40 pip mark. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, the candle that flipped. And I'm singing like whoa, SOS, please fill my cup.
keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Girl, I love you through and through. I put you through hula hoops. I'm focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you felt. Tell me now what's going on.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem.
If we do take a sell here, stop loss will be 40 pips. I don't know if I said that earlier.
Beautiful.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless?
Umbrella Corp, new subscriber. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing.
Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on.
We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Motivation to use only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili from young OG.
What's the entry for gold or Forex? Do you use pending orders, are they? Because if you don't, once we get in on futures, you can just take the same entry on gold. But so on gold, yeah, on a Honda, if we do reject here we actually tap the 1 hour resistance again. Entry will be here on gold, and you get stop loss for 40 pips. That's right at the top of that wick. Okay. Your dream is to be a pro trader like me. I'm always a student of the game. You're new in trading? Keep watching. If I win, I should do a giveaway for a new subscriber.
If you want to be a pro trader, you gotta have to put in the work.
There's absolutely no shortcut to this.
None. Zero.
I've been at this nearly 5 years and I still don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
That's actually
Man.
because you thought you took it serious, but in reality, you didn't.
Yeah, this year definitely been. You notice the difference when you start putting in the hours.
It's like you take a look at Gideon, and you take a look at Pi, and you see that difference. Man,
You really only know that you're taking trading serious when you actually make the decision to do that. And that includes investing in yourself. That is when you know that yes, now I'm actually ready to dedicate time to learn how to do this on my own. But if you think just because you copying someone else's signals, that means you've actually taken trading serious. You're fooling yourself. You're still looking for the easy way out, and there's no shortcut to this.
100%, I agree.
Edwin said the difference between Pi and Gideon is the accent.
Man, I love that, David. Okay, all right, David, I see you. David says this isn't a career, a job, or a business, it's a way of life.
That's dedication. Dedication to the craft.
man, no, Gideon. I didn't say you suck. I was saying that about Pi compared to you. Sorry, Pi.
Sleepless night, imbalanced life. Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah, come on, Gideon. Wall is saying that I suck.
Exactly.
Not you. Not you. I suck.
But no, seriously, you can tell a lot by, it's like how hard someone works, then you can see how fast they develop, and you can see how fast Gideon has caught on. And then Gideon even wrote sleepless nights, imbalanced lifestyle. It's like, yep, that's right. It's like when you're obsessed and you're working like crazy hard and you're really fucking dedicated and want to make it happen, that's what happens. It's like you're just got no time. You're always studying, practicing, back testing, all this kind of stuff. then you had no excuses. And that's the best way to live. Live with no excuses. I hate people who always like to say, I wish I did this, I wish I did that. It's like, shut the fuck up. Why didn't you just do it? Just do it, man. Just do it right now. Then they still won't do it. They'll just talk about it.
Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Lot of pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. You know I can't stand still. Sticking to the plan still. No bots on my fans real. Stay true on the man still. Losses got you bent up. All that anger pent up. See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, putting hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my fam and them, you've been chilling with the party is. Putting reps cause they called my bluff, got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Lot of pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up.
Oh man, Gideon dumped his girlfriend for trading. Gold's the only one for him.
Oh no.
Why your gold is on 23.94? That's because this is the futures chart. So this is micro gold futures, and this is gold Forex. You got
Yeah, Pi is good. I'm just shitting on him. I'm just playing around. It's like obviously he was slacking off for 5 years, but he's really picked up his game recently. And you can tell by the fact that that dude's like withdrawing money from Alpha Capital every week.
No, I'm hurt. It's too late. Okay, I appreciate you all. Shows the strength of the community as well, definitely.
am I in this?
What King's built.
We're still waiting.
Yeah, you got to give it to King. Was it for him?
Oh yeah.
Dedication to working all these time frames and getting everyone to learn. Hats off to you, King.
Most definitely. Abe's super generous with his time and his knowledge.
Yeah. It's like to think whether he's got a life or not. But not complaining.
Man, the fact that Abe was here on his birthday and I was even giving us advice and ideas when he was in Vegas. I mean, man, props.
I gotta make some money too.
Just another day in the office, Gabe. Hey, King.
Yep. Just another day in the office.
Man, you could have really sold that shit on Instagram. You should have been like taking a picture of yourself trading in Vegas, like stacks of chips.
Not the one on the toilet. That was funny.
Yeah. That's more realistic. That one.
I don't know who said that. That was funny. On in the toilet, in the shower or toilet. I think it was in the toilet. There's like a trading desk in the toilet. Yes.
This guy on YouTube, you gotta stop it, bro. Fucking, you gotta stop that shit.
What happened?
He wrote, I need $22 for applying for a trust wallet loan. Help me. And then I'll get my 15 staff members to subscribe to your channel. It's like, Jesus Christ, man.
Is there 15 staff members?
Yeah.
Got a top week on futures. I mean on Forex. No top week on this. Well, check real quick. GC has a top week on this candle.
No, nothing.
Alpha's got one.
Yeah, Alpha's got 1 too on my end. And I got a top week too on my personal. As long as it breaks the previous candle, it should be good. It might create another week though before dropping. If it does, if this candle gets to entry. $30-minute flip. All right.
I've got a wick on my Forex. So
Yeah, I do too.
German 40 does not want to break. Don't worry, Gideon. It'll break. Oh, there you go, Gideon. It broke.
Oh, it closed above.
Oh, it didn't close above yet, but it broke it.
Oh, okay. Irene is sell stop on XAU. We're looking for sales, but I didn't have any pending orders. I mean, except on futures, of course. I don't use pending orders on Forex. Once you hear order field, you can get in. For those of you that trade Forex. See how fast that candle sniped back?
that was too fast.
Now the drive to the entry and drive all the way down. That's what we need now. A quick win.
Perfect. Easy.
Easy money.
It's like betting against wall.
Man, I'm not sure about that. I
I
think it
know,
closed
I know.
above.
I just fucking checked. Oh man.
Whoa, you could have won that $100.
Yeah, they just need to give me more time. It's like, give me one more hourly candle, and I got this.
Gotta go use the restroom real quick. I'm trying to hold this, but man. Taking two. Okay, I'm gonna go use it real quick. I'll be right back, guys.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. Don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. I've been to myself.
See, the previous bearish candle really pretty much did not close below. Man, I still, man, that's why I traded, man. Still can't believe Jimmy 40 went all the way up from here.
I can.
Well, I can't. Since this low right here, this 1 hour demand rejected the 1 hour resistance, and we had this aggressive selling to the downside, should at least give the pullback, continue down to the next demand of the support before we push up. But Jimmy 40 wasn't interested in doing that today.
I was looking at it on the volume profile and I was like, oh, it's going up. Damn.
Gold's playing games.
Mhm. Well, it's got a top wick now.
And the bottom wick. So it might actually break the previous.
You took this sell on gold prematurely, you'd be upset.
It's below the consolidation on the 5. If she closes like this and goes to entry, should be a nice one. Yeah. Oh, still got 5 more minutes to close. Is Lucian here? I don't think Lucian is here. He's here. He's just quiet.
He's a bit quieter these days.
His
Trying to pump him up.
His vocality is based upon his account size.
Gold is going crazy. 15-minute close bearish, and I thought that was it. Few pips to SL. Oh damn, you're in the trade already.
Uh-oh.
No, Matthew, we were talking about Lucian. How you got $5 in your account? That's fun.
Man, not looking good for David.
Yeah, if he has the same stop loss that we have on here, it's pretty much close. But if this kind of close rejecting, man, go shoot freaking fall.
You'll be buying a Lamborghini next year. Man, you can probably get a Lamborghini right now. Hot Wheels, Lamborghini.
Lucian?
Man, did you guys, when you were younger, ever play the Grand Theft Auto games on like the PlayStation 2, and you used to be able to save cars in your garage at home, and you would just have like Lambos and Ferraris in your garage, and be like, yeah, one day, one day, that's gonna be my real life garage.
I used to do it. Like grab all the
Yeah.
like nice looking cars, shove them in the garage so it
Yes,
saves in there.
to save the game. Yeah, and they used to repair themselves as well when they were in there. Yeah, yeah. Man, hours spent, hours.
Yeah, that game is, man, and it's still going strong. Even the new kids now, they love Grand Theft Auto. That game has been out for a long time.
Yeah, you need time to invest in that game.
I'm not sure, but I think GTA 5, I think it's like the most selling game ever or something.
Yeah, yeah, I
GTA
think you're right.
5. Are you sure it's not 4?
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's 4. Jeez, I don't know. Let me Google that.
I thought it was 4. Oh yeah, and Call of Duty. I never liked Call of Duty, and I still don't. Oh.
The only thing I used to play on Call of Duty was the zombie. Do you remember the zombies? The zombie game. That was great.
Oh, okay, I was wrong. So, number 1 selling game of all time. Guess what it is? It's an old school.
What was it?
Tetris.
Oh, wait, Tetris? The
520 million.
Wait, isn't that like the brick game, the one where you like put bricks together, arrange them? That's the one, right?
Yeah, it falls from the top.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
I could see why
Number
that game
2.
is popular though. It's
Oh.
quite, I think everyone's played it, right?
Yeah, it was popular.
Yeah. Not a lot of people played Call of Duty.
Which one is number 2?
Number 2 is Minecraft at 300 million. And then number 3 is Grand Theft Auto 5 at 200 million.
Oh, it is 5. Wow. What the hell? How come Minecraft is number 3? Like,
I've never
I
even played
guess
that game.
Me either. But man, that game is definitely for kids. It's not.
Yeah, my son plays it.
It's not for adults.
Edwin said Mario. Man, Mario is... So number 6 on the list is Mario Kart 8, 70 million.
Wow. I thought that should be at least top 3.
Yeah. Damn. I can't believe that many people play Minecraft. Jesus.
Maybe some adults played.
What is gold doing?
Uh-oh.
If gold breaks pretty much on futures 2437, then I'm going to end this stream.
Yeah, I'm I'm done, guys. See you later. Thanks you.
All right.
Care.
I'm about to say the same thing. I see you guys in New York, yeah? I think we get the sales done.
All right.
You
See
folks.
you later.
Later, bye. I'm also in a bit of pain. I'll tell you later. Hey!
Oh, hope you feel better soon.
No, not physical. Flipping trading mental pain.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh,
I'll tell you
no.
later. Huh? Oh man. It's just such a simple thing. I was just so exhausted yesterday and I had a futures, I just got a futures funded account on Monday. Yes, I had to trade it on Monday and I lost it yesterday because I forgot to close at the end of the day. I didn't forget, I fell asleep.
oh,
I just missed it. And that's so painful.
Oh,
And I was
man.
in a couple of trades I was in profit anyway and just crashed. Just crashed. So I'm exhausted. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Yeah.
All right.
Catch you later.
See you later.
So, Faye, how many trades have you taken during this London session?
Don't know that I've taken any. Just let me have a look. I closed a gold sell way back that I had on earlier today. And I closed a CAD CHF buy that I had on earlier today. And no fresh trades.
Oh.
I tell you, I'm trying hard. Well,
I can't believe you got CAD CHF. That's a pretty strange pair.
I know. Yeah. I just did a small lot size because it was a large stop loss, but I had about a 70 pip TP, but I closed at a supply area for 36 in full. So take my money and get out so I don't have to watch it any longer.
If we take these stop losses now, 50 pips, guys. How would this feel? You know, this sugar mommy? Man, don't let Faye's husband catch you.
What? Don't call Faye a sugar mummy. Oh, man.
Man, that's crazy.
Man, if anyone's been listening, I think Faye's Faye's husband is the brains behind the operation. You know what he said about gold? Yeah,
Tell us, Spy.
that guy's got some knowledge.
You would like to think so. He just gets a little bonus payout every now and then, and he sits next to me and he says, "Do you want any of that in your trading account?" I'm like, "Oh, if you want to, you can drop a little bit in there."
Oh, what a legend! What a legend! He's living the dream.
God, gold.
She's wasting our time, isn't she? Yep, it's almost 5.
Yeah. Clearly, I came to the Zoom meeting way too early.
I might as well stay for an hour. Oh, really? No, that ain't happening. I'm pretty much giving gold another 30 minutes to an hour. Wait, do we have news though in air right today? Can't remember. Oh, okay, no news. Tomorrow, yeah, we got one news, and then Friday, Canadian news. Okay, good morning, Rodrigo.
Looks like it's gonna get to entry.
I hope so.
shit, rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib while you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some majors with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need love. I can see the line. Freeze time. Brainstorm. You can assume with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game one. Telling me how to live like you made me. Go a dog, man, I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Got crazy in new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, fit the kids in there. Prawn steak on my dinner plate. Nike tag for the dinner wear. Flex up, never playing dress up. Never gonna let up. Never, ever, ever, ever. Set up, play with my fam, get wet up. Go, won't let up. Never, ever, ever, ever. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some majors with me.
Oh.
Made it through some evil time. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need love. I can see the line. Freeze time.
With the volume, the type of volume that London session had so far, NY session, we should have nice volume.
She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Keep staring at screen, achieving TP or SL sometimes feels funny.
Got her hand all rocked up, like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got a hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
I'll be right back, guys. Give me a second.
See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on the neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. cake birthday. I can't waste no way. I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down road, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down road, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and don't stress. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend.
Right now, it's kind of looking like we're pretty much refusing to come down towards this minor support to break it. So the buyers are still in control. If only we had just retested at least the 1 hour demand, we would have been done since pretty much 2 hours ago. And even if you had runners, you'll still be in this gold bias, because the entry would have been somewhere pretty much around where this white line is. Well,
those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy, Brody.
Until we break 2437.6 gold futures, and on Forex it's gonna be 2397. As long as we do not break it, gold can still fall. Right, new 15-minute candle just opened. Let me see what we look like on the 5. Okay.
Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. We're known for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the
The
way
hell?
up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up.
What am I looking for here? Man, as long as we do not break this resistance here, gold can still fall. Pretty much as long as we do not close above it. Pretty much the same thing we did at this 1 hour. Pretty much rejected it multiple times before falling. She could do that here too. And the reason why I'm saying that as long as we do not break that high is because this high was the high that created this low. So if this low ends up breaking the highs, pretty much closing above the highs, it's over with. Even though you have a resistance here, it's over with. It might just give a slight pullback and then price continue to the upside.
My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back game. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine.
Oh man.
Challenge cause she all mine. There for my first cake. Then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way. Then $1,000,000 on the way. Eating good full plates. Eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way. I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, son, like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came from the rags.
What is this artist's name? His name is NBHD Nick.
She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back game. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back game. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the been at boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip.
See what God is trying to do. You have to admit my patience is next level. It all comes from experience.
they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. Said don't try to play around, don't try to play with them. My brothers out with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road, counting the days till I'm home. I could do show after show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play on my kids and it's water me. I see new loafers, I'm ordering. I just bought socks and stocks. I feel on top to top. Shipping a pop by pop. Still young in my 20s, I celebrate. This one for the dads, let me dedicate. Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner plate. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot be bought at some bargain rate. I got on my bacon, my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watch me demonstrate.
Let's see what God is trying to do here. Is she ready now?
At my own pace and I'm never late. See the strap thing is still new to me. Might only do this for like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Got records on records that's new to you, but none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, now I'm tutoring. I was just a team with a GED. On paper was worth like a couple G's. That hustle and work, nothing new to me. Look back now, I'm worth like an Amazon. Never underestimate G.O.D. Don't give me what I want, but what I need. D.D. that's me. 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 D.D. that's.
I want to move this stop loss though. Right at the week. It got too close. Just remember that I'm gonna have to use 60. I thought that it took my one. I thought that it took my one. Yeah, stop loss will be 60, guys. Yeah. Yeah.
There ain't no way. You said it was getting close. I popped my head up and I'm like, oh yeah, it's getting close. And it's going back now.
she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk.
24-hour stream incoming.
Nope.
All the way to Asian.
I don't think I can do 24 hours straight.
And if we were sitting in drawdown until Asian, man, there ain't no way I'm closing that.
I'd be out after 5 pips.
Pi knows when to pull out.
I don't. That's why I've got 2 kids.
I was just about to say something similar. Man, Gru just wants to keep playing over here. Yeah, 30 more minutes, it'll be PNY. You gonna go get you some lunch? All right, Gideon.
Spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. Shorties had chain when the money came. Money bang him, get money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third. Drop
top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parrot now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I can do it up in my seat. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me.
Gold is golden right now.
Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, 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 stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like Grease. Been smooth John T. Neighborhood, that's who. Nicholas, that's me. Been real to the T. I never lied through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. I water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world of makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we
And I got a stretch.
but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You
too. X and O's, tryna stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo, when I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on a pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, that my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tough on the back, move snuggle to cool. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, hate it when I leave. You know I be on. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more just to spend it, and I'm always on go. I don't hesitate. Used to always know I make it, yeah. I'll be me until I'm in the grave, yeah. See my record, had to set it straight, yeah. I make to kill like 10.
Guys, I'm going to call it a session here. I might take these gold sales if we do 4, depending on the time. Maybe it's going to fall. Maybe it's going to be a PNY trade or NY session trade. We'll see. So all my links is down below in the description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. I'm out of here. Alright, Zoom. I'll see you guys later for our session.
All right. Thanks, Abe.
Welcome, guys.
To ride my wave, they tried to knock me out. They tried to count my wins. They tried to show my L's. They tried to make me in. They tried, but where they now? Where they? Step in the spot and they stare at me. All of these battles will bear me. I swear that nothing compares to me. Feeling blessed. I won't stress. Beat the odds. You know the rest. They tried to count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend.
myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix, this is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't